Bye, bye, bye. We're going to be to you. Bye, bye, bye. What's up, everybody? Good evening. How can you hear me now? Ha, ha. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. I got a little new microphone cover thing. Hope it helps. Gonna be to you. Deadpool was a great movie. Gonna be to you. RickyBobbyTrading.com. RickyBobbyTrade.com. We actually own those. I'm insane. Anything to help you guys out. All right. Are we set up yet? Bye, bye, bye. We're going to be the one. Bye, 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 bye. Hey, there we are, YouTube. Let's get you set up on YouTube. I'll check to see who's here. We're strictly going to be going over what's highlighted in front of you, which you can't really miss. The Almost Holy Grail new launch. Yet another. Let's get this all cleared up. New launch. I'll explain. The Almost Holy Grail signal. Today is launch day. What is this? 8/5/24. Monday, right? I gave you guys what to trade at open. Hope y'all listened. Yet another correct call. Thanks to the symbol. Thanks for the safety trade system. Give all the credit to God for the development of that. All haters can just get lost. There's nothing to hate anymore. Just join on. For the love of God, just buy the system. The time for hate is over. The time for all the haters out there is to come to terms with this system is fucking fantastic. New launch. I'll explain the Almost Holy Grail signal. Yep, that's us. All right, let's go into here. Down. I have a feeling there's going to be a few people here today. Let's see. Where are my comments at? Chat. There they are. Yay. All right. I think I see some comments, but we have to get live on YouTube. So on TikTok. So let's get that rolling. Bye, bye, bye. Gonna be the one. We're live. On TikTok. We're live. Let's see if we're live on TikTok. Hold on. On YouTube. And yep, we are live. Ooh, barely can see that trade, huh? A bit. I'll have to move that over in a little bit. All right, peeps. What do we got? What do we got now? Let's see what we got. I do see that we're here. All right, let me say good afternoon. Let me get my treadmill started again. Bye, bye, bye. We're going to be with you. All right. Good evening, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. How do I sound tonight, Kim? Is my voice any better or not? Because really, I am using this thing. I have no idea if it's working. Bye, bye, bye. Da, 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 da. Hopefully, it is working. I don't know. I guess we'll see. All right. Who do we got over here? Mike, what's up, Mike? What's up, Glow? I know you're on vacation. Thanks to God. What's up, Jones? What's up, James? Mike Mahoyhan. Tony. Sounds great. Awesome. What's up, Jamie? Nathan. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Larry. What's up, Tank Dog? God bless each and every one of you. What's up, George? LF. Whoa, we have LF George and George. How cute is that? Two Georges back to back. I think that's the first time in a couple of years. Good evening, KC McMahon. What's up, Andrew? Just opening up my 16-year-old's demo account as we speak. Oh my gosh. You're going to trade one of your children that's 16 years old to trade. It's a her and buy her system. Not holy if she trains for 2 years until she's 18, learning the system. I don't want to exaggerate, but you're giving her a huge opportunity to succeed at life financially. Wow. Who did that? That's Andrew. I am very proud of you, Andrew. Very happy for her and you. It'll be a good learning time for you guys. Holy I should not cuss. Holy Moses. Holy moly. I mean, that's incredible. Can you imagine everybody out there taking 2 years to learn the system and then go live when you're 18? Holy crap. She's going to be a beast. Oh, wow. I can't wait to hear her success story. That's incredible. What's up, Kim? Oh, amazing. Thank you. Sound is great. What's up, Ken Louder? What's up, Rubel? Say hi to your daughter, by the way, Andrew. What's up, Tom? DPFX, I believe. Sorry, hard to read. So many Georges. Isn't that great? Used to have a friend named George. Well, he kind of passed recently. But anyway, hello, all, everyone. Yes. Srub a dub dub. Blessings to you. Hello to you. Blue Tide Acrylics. What's up, Jacob? On TikTok, you see his handiwork down there with that cool looking. Speaking of which, I wonder if I can get that to change. Da-da-da-da-da. Do you hear the treadmill more or less? By the way, that's always a good indication of how well this thing's working. Da 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 da. Bye bye bye. Huh. Nope, I don't think my little remote control is working. I have 100 of them now. We'll check it out later. Good evening, Jacob again and Kelly. And my other two. Oh, you have two other children? Holy shit. You are kicking ass. My 10-year-old as well. And my 9-year-old chomping at the bit. Holy shit. Congratulations, such to having a good family and blessings. I have two daughters. I'm a sailor. She's good. I'll try not to cuss. Well, I do cuss. I can't help it. I'll try not to go on a tirade like a sailor, though. What's up, Dad Bod? Joe Biga in the house. Dr. McCain. Good evening, sir. Nathan. I don't hear the treadmill at all. Really? See, I was hoping this little microphone thing would work. That's a lot of people tonight. What's up, Mike Mahoy? A hand? Oh, you don't hear it at all. Nice. I don't hear it at all. Totally forgot you have one till you asked this morning. I kind of miss it. Oh, this is the new mic. Sounds good. No, same old mic. I'm just holding it near my mouth now with a boom thingy arm. And I put this little styrofoam thing over the top of it. And I think it works. I hear you walking. Oh, Larry, you're interrupting the whole thing. Good evening on on TikTok and YouTube, Mike Mahoyan. Thank you for being on both. Little Joe, thank you for being on both. All right. Well, the illusion's gone. I thought you guys couldn't hear me walking. Damn. Well, anywho, at least you guys can hear me clearly now. That's great. I know on TikTok you guys could usually hear me pretty good, but this is hopefully a whole new level for YouTube. Gonna be the one. What am I pointing to on my screen with the blue arrow, the orange rectangles, two of them? What am I pointing to? Bye, bye, bye. What is this that I'm pointing to? It definitely works, says MH. Oh, thanks, MH. What's up, little Jim? What is this? Why do I have a rectangle over some words, and why do I have a blue arrow pointing to some words, and why do I have a small rectangle, kinda like over a I don't know, place action area over an AMA? Call out from oh, correct, scrub-a-dub-dub. A cell stop at MH, but that's kinda true, but kinda whatever. But yes, scrub-a-dub-dub, cell stop, 4-hour blue line call out. Correct, MH. Cell stop to the blue line. Yes, that's true, but it was called out this morning. What time was that, guys? Around 6:30? Hmm, I don't remember. I think it was around 6 or 6:30. I didn't stay on the open long through trade through open though. I just called it out for you guys. It did what you called it, Larry. Well, I don't know about course. Oh shit, people kicking me out of my own computer. Hold on. No, no, no. All right. So yeah, this is a call out I made. This is also a call out I made. Those buy stops to the 15-second SPX line worked out perfectly too. But let's dive into this a little deeper, shall we? At the time this call was made, we're gonna be with you singing bye bye bye. Why was this called out? Let's take a look. Okay. This right here, these words were written in an uneditable, you cannot change YouTube videos. It'll tell you that you changed. You can't edit something. None of my videos are ever edited or changed. And it went directly to the blue line. It went directly to the blue line. So how on earth do you explain this call when it's virtually was impossible to call hours ahead of time? You know, people can't even call the market. Oh, the sky is falling. Everything's going down. No one knew it was going to go down. This is the end of America. This is a world recession. Oh, these people. Oh, the market falls based on the economy woes. Oh, the economy woes wasn't last week. It wasn't 2 weeks ago. The economy, inflation wasn't destroying everyone's life. Really? So why did it fall? Why was I able to call out the sell stop? Why am I in 2 sell trades? Because the system said it would do it. Uh, Everybody here knows how to read the charts. It's either been stealing the information or paying for it. Y'all know. I've taught every one of you that's a scammer, and I've taught every one of you that's legit that this is a sell stop. You all know what it is, whether you use a sniper or not. You know what's inside of here. This is a classic, 100% classic sell stop. Couldn't get any more sell stoppy if if I drew it out with pencils. Red, 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 green. Oh, where's my other stuff at? Hold on a second. Gonna be the one. Da 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 da. Bye bye bye. Couldn't be any more of a classic sell stop to the blue line if it tried. So what I did this morning was I looked. By the way, me and Keith are gonna be starting to work on this next. And I saw at the time that the only one that hadn't hit the red was SPX. It was still green. So I said, "Hey, let me look at SPX this morning at 5:30 in the morning and see what it looked like." Oh, it looked like red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line, and it was very close. It was like here somewhere, about 20, 30, 30, 40 pips. I guess it isn't 2 pips away. So that's why I called this trade buy, buy, buy. There is no recession in the safety trade. Correct, DPFX. Pink high, blue sniper low. Kind of, not on this screen, but yes, overall, that would be correct. This is technically going to be, oopsie, this is technically going to be bye, bye, bye. Gonna be the one right here. So this is the what he's talking about. If you look, you'd see your sniper low, pink high, blue line pulled up against it, the pink pulled up against it, sell stop. Everything adds up, and that's your sell stop to the blue line. But let's take a look. Seems like, oh boy, we might be having power outages. Are you guys still there? Interesting on that. Hmm. We do have some intermittent storms. If things go out, that'll be the case. Hmm. Okay. Well, let's take a look at the charts, the same exact charts. Watch. And this is what your chart looked like without any indicators on it. This is called raw dogging it. This is called a raw chart. All you see is price action. In this case, happens to be candles. This is a chart everyone starts with, everyone fails with. It's ironic they don't give you anything to actually succeed when you first start. Hmm, concerned on that. So this right here, as it was going up, there is no one on earth that would have said this would have gone down. Maybe a trend line guy could have caught it. Ascending, descending wedges wouldn't have. Volume VWAP order block trading wouldn't have. Naming of candle and candle patterns wouldn't have called this to go down. I don't know of any. Maybe a fifth. Maybe I doubt it. Definitely not head and shoulders. There was no head and shoulders here. So there's no one to call out and way this trade would go, not with any kind of reliability for damn sure. But if you actually have my indicators, you can clearly see the pattern of red, 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 green, red, red, down. Anybody here remember my example of a swimmer? Anyone remembers the example I use of why this trade goes down every time? I'm going to give it to you anyways. First person that says yes, I'll use you as the example. Larry, what's up, Larry? Larry says yes. Kim Bernard says yes. We'll use you both. All right, Larry. So this is going to be an example in our business, our neck of the woods. I don't care who you are. They always use red and green. I don't know why. Sometimes they do purple and yellow, black and white, whatever. But 90% of the time, they use red and green. And this is what happens. In our business, green means up. So let's show you what a green candle looks like. Right here. Let me move this up a little bit, though. Oops, hold on. Bye, bye, bye. We're going to be the one. All right, so here we go. This is a 4-hour NAS. Oh, shit. Hold on. They're all the same, by the way. Take a look at this. Side note, side benefit to you guys. Look, inside of here, watch, is red, 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 green, red, red. This is SPX 4-hour. Well, what do you know? NAS 4-hour. Red, 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 green, the same exact pattern. SPX, NAS. SPX, NAS. What a scam. They can't even they call them different symbols, but they sure do damn trade exactly alike, don't they? Scam alert. All right, watch. Red, 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 green. The green here is going to be Larry. Larry swimming in the ocean, minding his own business. Larry green means up. This is the up arrow right here. This means Larry's trying to stay above the water. But for some reason, and I don't know why, because I thought Kim was a sweet person. She is. I'm just kidding. Kim comes along. He's red. Kim is in the ocean also. For some reason, Kim got pissed off by Larry. The red underneath here is real direction bar 3. Kim grabs one of Larry's arms and pulls him under. Okay. Underneath that, you have little Joe, who grabs another one of Larry's arms. That's real direction bar 2 is red, pulls him under. Then you have Scrub grab a leg and pull Larry under, because I don't know why he's pissing off everybody. Poor Larry. Why are you doing this, Larry? And pulls him down. So Larry's trying to swim in the ocean, stay above with the green. 3 indicators below him are all saying, nope, you're going down, bro. 2 people have grabbed his arms, 1 has grabbed his leg. Above Larry, you have Andrew pushing down through the box. That's red also, first line. And you also have Ken Louder pushing him under. Oh, shit. So now what do we have? We have Larry swimming in the ocean, minding his own damn business, not picking on anyone. He's trying to stay up. But for some unknown reason, 3 grown adults are pulling him under. He has no arms and only 1 leg. Then above him, they're pushing him down, 2 adults. So he has 5 adults pushing and pulling him under. Listen to me, and I can get this up to 20 with my indicators. Let's just show you this one. This is literally 5 people pushing and pulling poor Larry under the water. 5 people are pushing. Okay, that's a bad looking 5. Pushing and pulling, which is greater than the 1 green, him trying to stay up. So that equals a cell. It'll go down. Doop. Like now, I know I talk complex. I know I see things that some of you don't see, but everybody damn here knows 5 indicators, 5 people pushing 1 under. He had no chance to stay up. And the only way the trade had was to go down. It had no chance to go up. I happen to know the blue line. I can teach you all these other things over here as we go. But right now, we're keeping it simple on 1 chart. Does everybody understand the analogy? 7 for yes, 9's for no. Can't stand Larry. Does everybody understand this analogy that the trade had nowhere to go but down? I had no help. Correct. What a mess. Good evening. I'll have to rewatch it. Arrived late. Can't wait to see this. Thank you, Kevin. What's up, Matt? So that makes sense to everybody here. This is called the cell stop. Now, if we bring in the sniper, holy shit, does that make things a lot easier? Blue line rises against the flat blue line, blah, blah, blah. Pink comes up, cell stop, blah, blah, blah. I'll get into that later. So this is a cell stop. Wow. It also does things for when it goes up. Let's go ahead and take a look now at all the people who are crying wolf. What do I mean? Oh, the markets are going to go down forever. It's the end of the world. We've never had 1,000-point loss in a day before. Whatever. All this bullshit I'm hearing. All this lies I'm hearing. Markets go up and markets go down. Let's happen to take a look at what this 4-hour sell stop is forming. So let's look. On our right is the 4-hour chart for SPX. On our left is our daily SPX chart. What is this, everybody? What is the 4X, the 4-hour SPX forming right here? What is forming right here? Is this a sell stop or a buy stop? Dun, 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 dun. What's up, FB? What's up, LB? What is it? A sell stop or I got a right answer. Jones 808. Buy stop. Ken, buy stop. Larry, buy stop. Dun 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 dun. That's my Jeopardy sound. Dun 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 dun. So, in truth, is the sky falling? Oh, by the way, it's going to ricochet. It's coming up right now. It's going to ricochet, come back down to the 4-hour blue line on a ricochet. I heard that wasn't Rihanna. It's Sierra, Sia, or whatever. I don't know. It isn't Rihanna. Anywho, this is forming ourselves a buy stop. So when I tell you the faster time frames with 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 3 minute, 1 hour, they form our higher daily, weekly, monthly buy or sell stop. So is the end of the world happening? No, fucktar. No, newscasters. The sky isn't falling. It's just forming another opportunity to do a buy. Oh, but economy. Yep, economy sucks. Inflation. Yep, sucks. The economy has been sucking all year long. Inflation's been out of control since, well, whatever you want to believe or not. But basically, things have tripled since Trump left office. The economy is horrid for the average American. It's been horrid. So what the fuck difference did it make on Friday or Monday of why it's more horrid now than it has been? There is no fucking news to explain it. There is no interest rates to explain it. There is no, oh, there's trouble in Britain to explain it. There is no, the Japan stock market tanking to explain it. What explains it is that the safety trade system's telling you that this is a sell stop 4 hour to the blue line. And that's exactly what it did. Do I give a shit about any news? Nope. Do I care about anything that goes outside of these actual different buy stop, sell stops that form? Nope. Don't give two rats ass. That's how I'm able to call this trade out hours and hours and hours before it happens. The system told you what it was going to do. It did it regardless of news. What they try to do is look back and fit the news to whatever happened for the day. They have no reason for it. If you ever listen to their new news reasons, it's the silliest shit on earth. Literally, they found twice as much gold as they ever had mined from the entire history of the world last year. And gold prices did go down for a split second, and then it went up and has been going up since. Is there any reason for gold to go up and double in value if they found twice as much of it that they ever had in the history of the world? No. But you want to look at gold charts of why it's been doing it? Let's take a look, shall we? Let's take a look. You can see what a silliness they teach. Here it is. We're going to look right here. We're going to pull up gold, and I'm going to tell you why it goes up. Why it's going up, even though everyone says, oh, it's too overvalued. Oh boy. When it was, I remember down here, when it was at 1700, oh, gold's too high. It's too high. It's going to come down. No, it's forming a monthly fill in the gap buy stop, forming a buy stop when it was over here at 1200. It was going up. And not only did it go up, it is going up. I mean, as simple as that. So for those of you who kept saying, oh, gold's over, gold will do what the safety trade system says it will do. I hope I'm clear on that. Gold will do, if it says there's a buy on the signals, which you can clearly see we're going to get to right here in a second. This is the buy, $2,000, 2006. It went up 400 pips from the signal call out right here. It's the craziest shit on earth. Everybody thinks whatever, just follow what the system says to do, and it'll do it. I can't be any clearer on that. I was on the train. I stop. Okay. Gonna make some money going up and going down with safety trades. So go by, says McCain. Thank you, Dr. McCain. Yeah, it goes up, we call it. It goes down, we call it. It's as simple as that. Super easy system to learn. And I just made it easier. Bree and I, here it is. This is the announcement. The name of this is called Bree and I, out of the kindness of our hearts. Oh, there's nothing free in this world. Okay. Well, let me tell you, tier one and tier two and tier three are getting a free upgrade. Well, we're paying for it. You didn't pay for this right here, did you? Let's see. Maybe I'm confused. Let me see. Oh no. The almost, right? This room right here, the almost holy grail trades demo only room wasn't even in existence when we made it. So you can't tell me that, oh, this and that. No, this is a free upgrade from Bree and I, a priceless free upgrade from Bree and I. You can take anytime there is a buy or a sell order at market, order, execute. As soon as you see the damn trade, take it. If it's called, you can't take it more than an hour later. But other than that, just take the trade within the hour. If you do that, you can just do a market order entry demo. This trade's going to call out several different symbols. We're testing a couple more as we go. I do know US 30 and gold are working perfectly with it. GBP, JPY is working perfectly with it. Bitcoin's working perfectly with it. So this is a free upgrade coded by the great Keith Palmer. Yes, he is the greatest coder in the world. I don't care who has 20 years experience in coding. Keith is amazing. I literally went through, I don't even know, it might have been 100 coders. So Keith came along and said, hey, you know what? I'm pretty good at this shit. Like, oh, okay, let's give it a go, see how it goes. And Keith is just an amazing person. He's a kind person, great father, great friend. I mean, I've only known him a short time, but very good man. He's one of the real ones. He's the one that does the coding for us. So Bree and I aren't charging more for this. As a matter of fact, everyone that's in tier one, you're not going to get charged anymore, but you're going to get all the signals you used to, plus 10 additional, if they're there, almost holy grail trades demo only a month. If you're in tier two and you're paying $250 a month, you're getting a free upgrade in this room. You're going to get 20 signals a month. If they form, they'll be called in the almost holy grail trade. Now, what the difference is this between the freedom signals is very simple. These trades are market order execution only. You don't have to keep track of them like you used to in tier one and tier two. Tier three, you guys get unlimited holy grail trades, almost holy grail trades, and you get unlimited holy grail trades. We'll get that in a second. So you get all of this for free, period. So no more. Well, I don't know if it's a up green arrow and an up green arrow, and I don't know if that matches, and I'm confused. Bullshit. Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. Okay. So does everybody understand what I am saying? Do you understand how this is a free upgrade from Bree and I? You can take demo market orders only. That means as soon as you get the notice, you can set this to go. This is trading. If you don't ask us, don't ask a fucking thing about it. But you can get it to go to your email, supposedly to your phone. And yeah, this is free to you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, yay. You're welcome. You're welcome, Mike. The GBP, JPY one's in great money. Who's already making money with it? I swear I haven't even looked at the trades. They're all going to make you great money. You're going to be richer than fuck with this shit. Makes a difference if you have, amen. Andrew's already in the money. Good job, Andrew. Holy fuck. Yes, this is unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, great. I'm glad you guys understand it. Incredible performance. All right, watch this. Next, Keith is doing it. He assures me, we'll see, that instead of having almost Holy Grail trades, he's going to have the Holy Grail trades themselves. Tier 1 and Tier 2 fired up. Tier 1 will get one free Holy Grail trade a month. Tier 2 will get two Holy Grail trades a month. Tier 3 will get unlimited Holy Grail trades. Not almost, but Holy Grail trades. What's the difference? The Holy Grail trades are coded basically to trade against each other. You can't possibly miss unless God says so, meaning they're only going to be called out for NAS and SPX, and that Holy Grail trade will be fire. This will be the most incredibly accurate trade in the history of the world, period. All these signals are, but we're going to get into that later. But here you go. If it says sell, let me go over to daily. It'll be a sell. If it says buy, you could take a demo market order buy. This is the Holy Grail trade. This will be active by the end of the week per Keith. I'm not okay. Sometimes Keith gets busy, but this is it. This is it. This will be active. Another free upgrade coming from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. We are this could be charged tens of thousands of dollars alone for. I'm not upping any prices. Well, in fairness, the sniper without the signal service is going to be $250 a month if you drop out. If you stay in the sniper now, it stays at $150 for as long as I can see. The sniper is going to $250 a month without the signals. That's all. But other than that, the signal service itself is not increasing price. The signal service is staying the same, a ridiculously cheap $350 a month plus your $150 for your sniper. Unbelievable. So not only do you get the almost Holy Grail trades, which I just don't have a way to do the negative, to show the opposite on those ones, US 30, gold, GBP, JPY, but they're extremely accurate. But the Holy Grail trade itself is going to be market order execution, meaning you see the trade pop up, you can take the order. Cannot miss, has not missed, will not miss. It's exceptional what you're seeing. That'll be active supposedly by this Friday. We'll keep you posted on that. So there you go. Woo! Life's good for those with the system. Life's good for me, Bree, Keith, and everyone that's in the system. Hopefully you guys have the sniper. Some of you might have the signals. I mean, life is very, very good for us. Thank you, Coach. Told the daughter she needs to learn before she can use the signals. I know, right? Or, Andrew, this is what really intrigued me. This is why I'm willing to do this more and more now. I've heard email after email, even on these lives, I've heard many people use these signals not to take them, but to verify that they're reading the trade correctly, Andrew. So what you can do is have your daughter say, hey, this is a buy stop, blue line low, pink cross, green, 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 red, green, green. I'm going to go ahead and put my order in up here and then watch. Then the signal comes up confirming what she saw. And I love that about this. I was not expecting that from the signals. So I am extremely happy that that's what a lot of people are doing that with the signals. Extremely happy. That was about another 40 minutes on the treadmill. We're done. Ooh, nice. I'll be back to my 3-4 hours at a time soon. Thought says, thank you. You're welcome. Yes. Feel like double confirmation. I know, right? It's just like it's confirming everything you guys see. Thank you, Coach. Told you, yep. Mine, like I believe that one. Yep. There you go. What's up? Is it limo? Yes, thank you. These signals for that. Great. Correct, Nathan. Plus, I mean, it's kind of great just to know, hey, Kev's saying this motherfucker's going to go up. I think it's going to go up. Yeah, that's like double, triple confirmation. Most of you know I don't miss a lot of these upper, higher time frame trades. Look at it, though. Look at how beautiful. It's taking into account NAS, SPX, another indice, plus 3 opposite indices. It's taking account to make these signals the daily and the weekly and the monthly in order to come up with this holy grail trade. When everything clicks, it calls the trade. If there's a sell, down it went. If there's a sell, down it went. If there's a sell, down it went. If there's a buy, up it went. I'm telling you, because now that these are going to be live, wherever the haters are, guess what? You get the trade against the Holy Grail trade. If you can defeat it, which I don't understand how you could. Can you win the same, I guess? In other words, if you can go 100%, you can keep up with the Holy Grail trade. But these will win. You have to hold them, sometimes a little longer than others, but there'll be a little drawdown, and sometimes there won't. No drawdown there, no drawdown there, 2 drawdowns there, no drawdown there, no drawdown here, no drawdown there, no drawdown there. There'll be some withdrawdown. There's a good bit of well, you made some money, but people are gonna be greedy on that trade. So there'll be some drawdown there, a good bit of drawdown there, then a huge win on that. First ones are always the best. Oh, I didn't tell you. One other thing I'm gonna tell you, in the Discord room, in the Almost Holy, you're gonna see where it says, um, uh, first. The Safe Trade System Almost Holy Grail Service. I'm not sure it uses. But anyway, there's a count on it. So when it says first time, consider that a Ricky Bobby trade and consider that money in the bank. I.e., when you see the Almost Holy Grail, they're going to tell you we're not going to have that for the Holy Grail trade. It doesn't matter. It's just money, period. But when you see the Almost Holy Grail trade, you're going to see an actual physical count on it. Let me see if I can show you that. Gonna be the one. Da, 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 da. There it is. Let's see. Bye, bye, bye. Let me maybe NAS or maybe gold or something. Yes, there we go. Let me see. Gonna be the one. I might not have the updated version on here. Shit. I was just looking at it with Keith too. Well, don't worry about it. It'll say. Matter of fact, I want Keith to put on there Ricky Bobby. I want him to tell you that it's a Ricky Bobby trade, and then it'll say the first time that way. What's up, Jamfly, this guy? Welcome, Tank Dog. Good evening, John. Bye, bye, bye. All right. I'm pretty comfortable with everything I just announced. Bye, bye, bye. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Let's ask. We're gonna be with you. See this buy right here? Look at gold, bro. You guys, I would pay special attention to gold. Why? Because gold's one of those things that kind of gets in a rut. And once it starts going up, bye, bye, bye. There it is. Look at this one. Took a long time to get in the money, but did it? Yep. And don't worry, we'll tweak up these little almost holy grail trades. So hopefully you don't have as much drawdown. But you are going to be dealing with 4-hour and weekly trades. There's probably going to be some drawdown regardless. Amazing what you're looking at. Just amazing. What's up, Jan? All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? Do not forget for 1 second, this system is made for beginners. My system, I know it sounds silly, but it isn't. My system can help you make consistent profits through trading. It works on over 1,000 trading view symbols. Yes, you have to put it on trading view. No, you can't put it in MetaTrader 4. Yes, it works on futures. Yes, you can trade with any broker you like, but everything, all the indicators go on trading view. Tier 3 signals get all indicators except for the Holy Grails. If you'd like to buy it, you can head over to thesafetytrade.com or learn about it. Or better yet, go over to my YouTube channel and actually start watching some videos so you can see me trade live and explain things live. All right. TikTokers, I'm out the door. God bless you all. Have a good evening. I should be on in the morning. Gonna be the one. Bye, bye, bye. YouTubers, any questions before I go? Any questions before I go YouTube? Bye, bye, bye. I'll wait a second. Anybody at all have any questions? Da, 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 da. All right. YouTubers, have a great evening. God bless you all. Thank you all for being here. I will rewatch and ask tomorrow. Thank you. There you go, Jan. Good thinking. All right. God bless you all. Everyone have a good night. Enjoy yourselves. Make some great memories. Just have fun. Enjoy life. It's short. Just have fun.